Bubble guppies.
First up, Veterans Day. CPK, California Pizza Kitchen. Free drink and meal. Yum yum. I got the barbecue chicken pizza, and you can also get the vegetarian version. Second stop on free veteran stuff. Coffee to the People, which is the cold pressed place. It's my first time in here, and they're doing free coffee, any size for veterans. I got the caramel apple latte. My free coffee at cold pressed.
With a meal.
We went to Starbucks and got the free tall coffee for Veterans Day, and I redeemed my points for part of the cost of this cup, which was like $36 normally, and it took $20 off because I had enough points. Yay. We actually went to Texas Roadhouse and got our coupon. This is the first year we've done this because we always are intimidated by the line that goes so long, but it's very quick, and this is good until the end of May 2025. So that's awesome. Kolache Factory for a free kolache and coffee for Veterans Day. So we got a free large coffee and a free kolache. I got the cream cheese kolache, and I just want to say that the woman who I think was the manager, the guy in front of me showed his real ID, driver's license, which says veteran on it if you're a veteran, and she told him that she needed to see an actual veteran's ID. And she's lucky that she didn't help me, because I would have argued with her about that, because DMV's not giving out veteran status on the driver's licenses just for fun. So thankfully I was just helped by another girl, and she didn't argue about the fact that it said veteran on the driver's license. So yeah, that's not necessarily the best look. Okay, free Little Caesars lunch combo. Wow. Comes with a drink and this pizza. We went to the Little Creek Exchange and got my veterans coin for this year. So I've been collecting for the last several years. Readies for the free combo meal. It expires on December 31st, which is awesome. You can eat it today or come back. And yep, super cool. Went to Great Clips and got my free coupon, and it's good until November 29th, and she gave me 2 of them for some reason, so that's awesome. Okay, Crumble Cookie is also doing, oh, she closed it, is doing a free semi-suite for Veterans Day, but participating locations only, which is how most of these things are. So, yum. I want you guys to see my shirt, because I'm like winding down for the end of the night. It says, "I'm not the veteran's wife, I am the veteran." I got it from Amazon, and I will have a link below if you guys are interested. Our last stop was Arby's to get the 4 for $10, and we got a 10% discount, so it was $1 savings, which is awesome. But I did miss quite a few places today because I started out later than usual. So thanks for watching.